Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. And today on Cooking with Edie, I am making a garlic cheddar chicken bake. Now what's special about this recipe is that my uncle, Mr. Ladislav, is a rice farmer actually in California. And this is a quick, easy, simple recipe that he always used to make on Sundays. The recipe will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor. Click that like button, hit that notification bell, and please do subscribe to the Little House of Beans. The Omnia oven, the silicone pan, and all the products that you do see us using is available in the descriptions below. I am excited to cook as always. Let's get cooking.